So let's talk about finding the lowest. Let's talk about finding the lowest common multiple. So we start with the simpler method where you are supposed to just list multiples of numbers. I think by now we know multiples are probably a replica of the times table of that particular number. So like if you say 8 times 1, you get 8. If you get say 8 times 2, you get 16. Then now you get something like 24, 32, and then 8 times 5 will get you 40, 8 times 6 will get you 48, 8 times 7 will get you something like 56, and so on and so on. So we also do the same. We list multiples of 12. So we've got 12, obviously times 2 you get 24, times 3 you get 36, and so on. And now I'm just listing the multiples of 12. So hence we talk about lowest common multiple. We can never talk about highest common multiple because you will get to infinity and never arrive. So as a result, we want to look at the lowest possible multiple that we can find. So you will see that 24 is the lowest possible number of 8, the lowest possible multiple of 8 and 12. So hence LCM is equal to 24. But it's very important that you know how to find the LCM using the prime factorization method, because they will not always give you numbers which are small like this. They may give you big numbers which will take you on and on if you use this method. So you want to use the prime factorization method, especially with more complex numbers, much bigger numbers, which will end up draining your time if you use this method. So next up is how to find the LCM using the prime factorization.